Are you looking for a free and effective way to record your computer screen? In this video, I'll show you how to do just that using CapCut, the all-in-one free video editing tool. Note that the screen recording option is, as of creation of this video, only available on the web version of CapCut and not the desktop version. Let's start by visiting CapCut.com and register an account. Upon successful creation of your account, we're then presented with this view inside of the editor. In the top left corner, head over to Create New and then choose a format for your video. In this demonstration, we'll pick 16:9 since our end video will use the same format. A new window appears, and under the section Media, we'll press the Record button followed by Record Entire Screen. Another pop-up window appears where we specify what part of our screen to record. The entire screen, a window, or a tab. Note that we also have the possibility to record system audio if we so like. In this case, we'll pick the entire screen one and press Share. All that's left now is just to press Record and wait for the 3-second countdown timer to finish, and we're then recording. When we're done, press the Stop Recording button followed by Save and Exit. We can now crop and reframe our recorded video to our liking. In this case, we'll head straight over to the Export section and press Download. Configure your export settings, preferably to the highest quality possible. We'll go by the resolution 1080p for full HD, the quality set to the highest, and the frame rate set to 60 frames per second. Then press Export and your video will begin processing and download automatically. I hope this video was helpful and that you now have the knowledge of how to screen record your PC in the most efficient way. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments down below, and I'll make sure to answer all of them. If you're new to Techly, consider subscribing and don't forget to leave a rating as well as engage in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.